Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I take my dusty ass nails from this to that. All the nail salons are closed at this point and we've got to do things ourselves. And with these easy steps, your nail game should still be fire. Okay, to start, you're gonna need a bowl. I'm using a ramekin. You're also gonna need some acetone nail polish remover, and you can just pour that into the bowl. Be generous because you're gonna be dipping your hands in it. I like to start by clipping off the extra length of my nails, and then I put on some petroleum jelly or some Vaseline just to prevent my skin or my nails from drying out, because acetone dries out your skin. So next, I'm gonna soak my hands in the acetone, and I soaked it for about 5 minutes, but I recommend soaking it for 10 minutes. It comes off a little bit messy, which I don't personally mind, but a pro tip would be to file the nail polish off before soaking your hands in acetone. If you're like me and you don't mind messy, then just dip it in, girl. Just put it in. Next, I'm gonna be using a thread just long enough to get through my nails. I'm gonna pull to the right, pull to the left until I find the path of less resistance. If it's too hard to take off, you'd have to soak your hands again in acetone for say an additional 5 minutes. Using the thread again, I was able to take off all the dirty ass old nails. After taking off the artificial nails, I quickly trimmed my natural nails, and then I filed the surface just a little bit just so I have a nice smooth base to apply the press-ons on. After filing, I washed my hands and I applied some hand sanitizer and some baby oil. Goodbye, Ashy. And here you have it. Clean nails, except the little nail polish stains, which I'll be taking care of soon, okay? Okay, let's move on and put on some cute press-on nails. Following the instruction guide, I used the manicure stick to push my cuticles backwards. Next, I selected the correct nail size for each of my nails and just set that aside. Next, I'm gonna apply some glue. This glue came with the kit. I'm making sure I generously apply the glue. You wanna make sure you have a thick coat, and you also wanna make sure you're applying the glue to the sides of the nails. That's very, very important. Next, I gently apply the press-on nails to my natural nails. You want to make sure you're going slowly and gently. You want to make sure the nails are aligned. And once it's aligned, you want to push it downwards and you want to hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. And that's pretty much it. Just repeat until you're all done. If you have any excess glue or nail polish, in my case, you can wipe it off with a Q-tip and some acetone. You just want to make sure you're cleaning up the glue before it gets dry. That's very important, guys. So once you're all done, you want to make sure to wash your hands, sanitize your hands, and apply some oil. I don't have cuticle oil, but I do have one from Zest of Moringa. I just applied a few drops to my cuticles and to my whole hands, and as you can see, the nails are fire! And this only took me 30 minutes. So if you think about it, 30 minutes, $15, you can have amazing nails and still have refills to use for the next week. It's recommended to keep the nails in for no more than 7 days. I don't know about you guys, but it's goodbye nail salon. I think press-ons are now my thing. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.